Astroice jewelry in the building, man, and you guys see what time it is. GRA certificate for our Moissanite stones, and here we have our 19mm bronze Cuban link iced out with Moissanite stones and a solid silver base. Let's go ahead and get into this review and show you guys the amazing chain in this box right here. Astroice jewelry in the building. Let's go ahead and get it, man. The best of the best, reviewing the best of the best jewelry, and we only getting better. Boom. We got it in the box right here. We're about to go ahead and do this unboxing. Go ahead and take it out right there. We have our premium leather pouch, Astroice pouch. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the pouch, and you guys see it right there. 19mm bronze Cuban link iced out with Moissanite stones. Guys, the quality on this chain is insane, and you guys are gonna see it in this video. Moissanite on the chain, Moissanite on the ring. Let's go ahead and get it. Astroice jewelry, we bring you guys these crazy Moissanite and silver reviews, and we're gonna get you guys right, get you iced out on a budget. So let's go ahead, do the unboxing, and take this chain out of the plastic. Let's go. We always ship our chains in this super protective plastic to make sure that when you get your chain, there's no stones missing, and everything is looking beautiful and icy just like that. Look at the back, stamped with a 925. And we in business right here, man. 925, solid silver base, iced out with Moissanite stones. And look at the shine on that chain, looking crazy. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. Let's get it. All right, so let's go ahead and give you guys the full details of this chain right now, man. 925 solid silver base, iced out with Moissanite stones that shine like crazy and ring on a diamond tester. We're gonna be taking out that diamond tester at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. We have the lock right there. Strong and tight lock. It goes ahead and clicks in like that. Put it to the mic, boom. And you got that on there. Fresh out the factory, 925 solid silver base, iced out with Moissanite stones, 19mm bronze Cuban link. This thing looks like a real diamond, solid gold chain right here, man. If you put a solid gold diamond chain right next to this, you will not tell the difference, guys. This thing looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Super, super icy. So let's go ahead and get into the full review. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the neck, and then I'm gonna go over the GRA certificate with you guys and show you guys what comes in that package. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and put it on the neck. That lock is tight. There we go, perfect. Click it in. We got it in 18 inches right here. And boom, man, you guys got it right there on the neck. Look how insane that looks with the box lock right there on the side. Let me go ahead and bring it around a little bit more. 18 inches, so it's a very snug look, but I know a lot of you guys like that look. And of course, if you want it longer, 20 inches, 22 inches, 24 inches, all the way to 26, man, we're gonna get you guys right, whatever length you need. Astroice jewelry in the building. We're bringing you guys the best reviews, man. This Moissanite is going crazy, man. And we getting in this Moissanite game, and we're gonna take over. Astroice jewelry in the building. You guys see it right there, man. The best of the best. Let's get it. Now let's go ahead and go over this envelope right here. GRA certificate. You guys see it right there. Right here on this sticker, it's showing you the millimeter of the stones and a quick overview. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open this envelope up and show you guys what comes inside. So here's the GRA certificate. Inside, you're gonna have a warranty card. Right there is the warranty card. You guys are gonna make sure Astroice Moissanite stones are official. Right here on the back, it actually has a comparison of diamonds, gemstones, Moissanites with the brilliance. Let me go ahead and read that. Refraction index, fire dispersion, glossiness. It got everything on there, hardness, and it's gonna show you the comparison of all those different stones. All right, gonna go ahead and open that up. And as you guys can see right there, we have Moissanite, grading report, grading results, additional grading information, the brilliance, 1.5mm stones. So each stone is 1.5mm. The clarity characteristics, I'm gonna show you the cut of the stone. And here's all the different things right there. So you guys can see, man, this certificate is very legit, man. And you guys gonna have all your information for your Moissanite stones right here in the certificate. All right, so here we got the certificate and the chain together, man. So now you guys know when you shop with Astroice jewelry, you're gonna get a Moissanite certificate, GRA certified. Guys, I'm super excited to be getting in this Moissanite game, and we're gonna take over and do amazing things. So let's go ahead, keep pushing in this review and show you guys some more details on this chain. All right, guys, so we have the chain right here and we have the scale right here. We're about to go ahead and put it on the scale for you guys. Let me go ahead and zero it out real quick. So we're gonna do it in grams. Go ahead and put that chain on there. So we got 267 grams of solid silver, plus these beautiful Moissanite stones that we're gonna take the diamond tester out and test right now. let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so boom, we got the chain right here. We got the diamond tester ready to go right here. We better test these Moissanite stones out and see what's gonna happen. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you think this diamond tester is gonna ring right now, because it might not. Psych. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. You guys see it right there. Moissanite stones ringing on a diamond tester. Yes, sir. Let's get it, man. I told you guys it was gonna ring. Moissanite stones that ring on a diamond tester. Astroice jewelry, man. You guys know where to come and get right. GRA certified Moissanite stones. And look at the quality on this chain right here. Tell me that don't look exactly like a diamond chain right there. That is insane, guys. When I tell you we'll bring you guys the best quality in the whole entire world for the budget of this chain right here. All right, guys, so let me go over some quick details of this chain, of this 19mm prong Cuban link, and why it's the best design if you guys are looking for a chain just like this. As you guys can see, that sleek look right there, the sleekness of this chain, when you put it on your neck and you're jumping around, partying, having fun in the club, whatever you want to do with it, jumping in the pool because it's a solid silver base, you can get sweaty, you can get wet with this, and have some fun with it. But look, guys, the reason why it's so sleek and so flat like that is because when you have it on your neck, it's not gonna flip around. A lot of these chains you see people wearing, it's like all floppy and sideways and all this stuff. It's gonna lay flat on your neck and it's not gonna move around. That's why this is the best design of a 19mm prong Cuban link, straight from Astroice jewelry. And now we're offering it in this amazing 925 solid silver base, iced out with Moissanite stones that ring on a diamond tester. And besides ringing on a diamond tester, Moissanite stones have a higher brilliance than real diamonds, so the shine on this thing is just impeccable. It is amazing. Super, super icy, as you guys see right there. Your neck is gonna be on straight ice. People are gonna think you put ice cubes on your neck when you got this thing on, man. It's gonna be insane. And in the club with the night lights, guys, with hard lights like that, this chain is gonna be beaming them lights off it like crazy. And we haven't even talked much about the lock, man. Once you put that lock on and that lock clicks on, that thing is not going anywhere. You guys see it right there. Also, I did forget to mention, we now solder our links. So as you guys see right here, that's an open link. It is soldered shut, so it's not gonna have the ability to open up, and you don't see any of that when you're wearing the chain. And that white gold plating on the inside is a super high quality plating that's gonna make this chain shine a very, very long time before you have to get it cleaned. Also, the great thing about this style is that it doesn't kink up like crazy. Like, there's a lot of Cuban links that kink up like crazy, but this style right here, you can go move it around, have fun, and it's not gonna kink up. It's gonna be real nice, real clean. It's not gonna be flipping on your neck. Our 19mm prong Cuban link design is one of the best. And that's why if you're interested in a 19mm prong Cuban link, highest quality you can get right before diamonds and gold, which I would tell you to save your money and get silver and Moissanite. It's gonna shine the same, look the same. There's not gonna be a difference, as you guys see in this video right here. You're gonna save thousands and thousands of dollars because Moissanite stones are 1/10 the price of diamonds. So you're gonna be saving a lot of money here. And look how crazy this chain looks. So if you're interested in a 19mm prong Cuban link iced out just like this is one of your greatest options, and you definitely have to take it into account. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. You guys see it right here. Our design is one of the best designs around. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the neck, and we're gonna get some B-roll for you guys and get some shots. But this right here is one of the most beautiful chains I've ever seen personally in my life.